So it's a lovely day in Kingston, Jamaica, and we are on the hunt for a very special item in our local supermarket. And the item that we're looking for is brand new on the market, and we definitely wanted to try it and let you know what we think. Yes, guys, we're talking about the Island Taste Curried Goat. Yes, curried goat in a can, and also Manish water. And of course, we definitely had to try this. It is available now in certain supermarkets in Hilo and Sampars and other supermarkets, I believe, in Jamaica. So we wanted to try this. So we're going to carry it to them and cook it up and make us see, yeah, what it's all about. Try a thing, na man. Try a thing. And it says, so the ingredients are water, goat meat, root tubers, you know. Transfer soup to microwave safe container microwave or put it on the stove top. Heat it slowly. Alright, babes. So for most Jamaicans, this is really unconventional. Jamaicans don't eat them two items, especially in any type of tin. Manish water and curry goat, no sir. But we're going to try it and see if it really works. And I have my sister with me and the rest of the family. We'll test it. It smells like manish water. Smell it.
Wow, it smells good. It actually smells good.
The meat?
The peas missing. This is Manish water in a tin, guys.
Little water.
So we're actually trying it.
Next up, we're trying the curry goat. And of course, this one is the real test, you know. The ingredients I like because it's simple. It don't have a whole lot of, you know, chemically based preservative and stuff like that. And again, made in Jamaica, you can microwave it or you can cook it on the stove top. It looks from outside on the can, it looks good. So let's open it and see what is going on the inside.
Color test.
What are the color?
I don't know if it passed the color test.
at all.
Smell goatish.
It smells like goat. It smells like goat.
It's guys smell it.
Smell good.
It smells like curry goat, but it look like it's have a more.
Where is it made?
In Jamaica.
What about the integrity bit of the meat? Is it
looks
shredded
goatish.
or is it?
It look like goat, man. It all have the sleep up vibes like when goats sleep up. Yeah, man. You have to warm it up. And it have carrots in it and thing. There you go.
It look a little bit goatish, but it could have taken more curry.
It look like it
When warm it up first because you know curry goats sleep up. I did warm up the Manish water on the stove top, yeah, because I wanted to see the real consistency. And I add a little bit of water to it just to make it movement. So warming up the soup, you know, the first thing we realize is that it really have a nice consistency. Yeah, it's not watery. It's not, you know, it seems as they put a little effort in that. You know, the potatoes, the little vegetables were good. There were pieces of meat in there and it looked like the burn goat. Let's try it and see how it tastes. It tastes good. It tastes really good. Come over side and I remember say little water they did in it, little extra water. So you know say no water never in there to that. Don't it taste good?
It's very good.
Come here.
Don't just like something. So
after everybody tried the Manish water, the general consensus is that it was good. You understand? Simple ingredients, water, goat meat, little vegetable. Yeah, it worked. And I promise you, if you are, you know, coming from work and you feel like a little stomach for ketchup, you can put some of this in a pot and make yourself a cup of Manish water. Or if you're not so proficient in cooking it for yourself, you can buy a couple tins, a couple cans, it's not that expensive, and cook it for your family. Yeah, add some more stuff to it, dumplings, spinners, maybe some more goat meat, and I promise you, it's a nice base, it's a great way to start. Let's look at the curry goat now and see what we think about that. It tastes good? Cool it, baby. Make sure say you cool it. Mind it burn you. Yeah, man. This is the curry goat in the can. And the wife is gonna try it and give her honest opinion. Yeah, I think I like it, but let's hear what the wife has to say. It's good?
I taste good, man.
For real, for real?
Well seasoned.
We want your honest
The only
opinion.
thing is,
It too, like
it's too, this,
little bits of meat.
yeah, minced up. It should be bigger chunks.
Well, I think that's because it's going in a can,
Right.
you know. But yeah. So
Perfume, the perfume.
Island taste, Jamaican curry goat in the can. Yeah.
I do prefer the Manish water though.
You prefer the Manish water.
But it's edible.
Guess what? If you're home, me not endorse this because them pay me, but me I say, if it convenient and it work with it. What you say, babes?
Can't work, man.
Yardie Belly TV, you know, when we there foreign, when we there yard, we have to give them the full dose of the information. Yeah, big up on yourself.
On card.
It's good.
Good, right? I like a buzz.
It does. All reservation again, as was said before, it does give you a little canned vibe, but you're getting a real flavor of goat, you're getting the real vegetables and everything. And if we had rice, if we had a bowl of rice, this would have worked. Not gonna lie.
And I think it can serve 2 people.
And it can serve 2 people.
Even though it's a small can, but yeah.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Don't sleep.
Don't this the thing.
Don't sleep.
Yeah, work with the thing. I tell you that. Work with it, Jamaica. Yeah, it's one of our own. Yeah, island taste, Jamaican curry goat, and them not endorse me, but me I endorse them. You understand? Yardie Belly TV, we find the things them I make on the nose of them out there. Mannish water, 100%. Curry goat is a strong 70%. Me da gal 75%. Me I tell you the truth. Yeah, man. Right, see? See that? Remember. Peace in the Middle East. So that is our quick review of the Island Taste curried goat, yes, sold in Jamaica. We got ours at ILO Supermarket, and it was just over $800 for the curry goat and just over $700 for the Manish water. Run out and check it out, guys, and do a review and make them know say you like it. Yardie Belly says, big up on yourself, manners and respect to every single body. Yeah, remember me tell you.